Hello, I'm going to show you how to prepare and install Easyfix DIY Magnetglaze Pro secondary glazing. Magnetglaze Pro comprises a steel strip that sticks to the window frame and a PVC capping profile with magnetic strip attached that clips onto it. This is a simple and smart way of insulating your property against heat loss and noise, and can be bought in 2.44 and 1.22 metre lengths in white or brown PVC. We recommend you do not fit Magnetglaze Pro to the opening part of any window or externally. Glass is not suitable for use with magnetic systems. Instead, use plastic sheet of 2, 3 or 4mm thickness. Our website tubeway.co.uk has details of sheet and Magnetglaze Pro packs, or you can buy cut-to-size polycarbonate sheet online with Magnetglaze Pro bulk packs or individual lengths at secondarydiyglazing.com. Details of all the other Easyfix secondary glazing systems are also on these sites. Larger windows can be insulated by Magnetglaze Pro Extreme with 25mm magnets and steel for extra grip. This is suitable for 4 to 6mm plastic sheet. Alternatively, using standard Magnetglaze Pro with a heavy-duty sash kit, joint 2 panels together for convenience. See our websites for separate instructions and video. Firstly, make sure you have about 20mm of mounting area on the window frame on all sides, as your fitted glazing panel will overlap. Measure the height and the width of the recessed window, adding 30mm to both of these to get the right size of glazing sheet. Add 33mm to height and width for the correct size of Magnetglaze Pro lengths for the horizontal and vertical sides of the panel. We're using 2mm plastic sheet in this demonstration, which works well with this product, but 3 or 4mm sheet might be better for large windows for extra stability. Don't forget to draft proof your window before starting, using Easyfix DIY draft excluders such as D901 foam strip. Details of these are also on our websites. Extra things you'll need to install Magnetglaze Pro are a tape measure, mitre block, fine-tooth saw, pencil, strong scissors or snips, and Easyfix surface preparation wipes, which clean and degrease the mounting area to give best adhesion with the self-adhesive steel tape. Remove the white metal strip from the Magnetglaze Pro. Then measure one side of your glazing sheet, adding 3mm. This is the length to cut square. Repeat for each side of the glazing sheet. Now insert the mitre bead. And using the outer corner as reference, cut a 45-degree mitre with the saw. Repeat this process on both ends of each length of Magnetglaze Pro, removing the mitre bead. Fit the Magnetglaze Pro to the plastic sheet. You should end up with neat corners where the lengths join. Next, hold the panel up to the window so it overlaps equally on all sides. Make a pencil mark around the glazing sheet onto the window frame. Cut, then stick the white metal strip just inside the pencil line all the way round with exact corners for a good seal. Peel a few inches of the backing, then apply just within the pencil mark. Offer the frame sheet up to the window and it should clip neatly into place. If you want to prevent the risk of slippage or support a large frame, you can place a couple of screws at the bottom, sticking out by about 10mm. Simply lift off the finished Magnetglaze Pro secondary glazing panel for ventilation, cleaning or emergency access to the window. That's it. Thanks for watching.